What if the most powerful computer on Earth wasn't on Earth? The information presented is taken from the article published in Verge.com on May 18, 2025 by Wes Davis. Link in description below. Imagine a machine so powerful it can process petaflops of data per second, control AI from space, and monitor the entire planet in real time. Now imagine it's floating hundreds of miles above your head. China is no longer imagining it. They're building it right now in space. This is not just about technology. It's about power, control, and a new frontier in the global tech war. In the next 5 minutes, you'll discover how China is assembling a space-based supercomputer, why it could change the future of AI, surveillance, and global defense, and what it means for the rest of the world, including the US. So strap in, because this isn't science fiction. It's the future and it's happening right now. Don't blink. Hit like, share, and subscribe to Trendshift E4U, your daily dose of tech revolutions, explained with style. A supercomputer in space? Sounds like science fiction, right? China is not just planning. They've started building a supercomputer in space. The country is launching powerful modules into low Earth orbit to build and operate a space-based supercomputer platform. But why put it in space? Because Earth has limitations, like weather, limited bandwidth, and interference. Space offers unlimited potential. Zero gravity, limitless processing. In space, there's no dust, no vibration, and nearly perfect cooling conditions for hardware. The project's codename is Tiangong 3. This project is expected to integrate with China's Tiangong space station. It will be capable of handling petaflop-level calculations. That's quadrillions of calculations per second. AI in orbit? The main purpose is to train and deploy artificial intelligence in outer space. One of the purposes is real-time Earth surveillance, watching everything from above. It can process satellite data in real time, without beaming it down first. Disaster response boost. Helping Earth from space. Faster data means quicker detection of natural disasters, forest fires, and weather shifts. Military edge, a strategic advantage. Yes, there's a military layer. Faster space-based computing gives China edge in surveillance and cyber warfare. The geopolitical storm. Not just about tech. This is a message. China is no longer catching up. It's leading in frontier tech. Race to space tech dominance. The US, Europe, and India are watching closely. A new Cold War of computing is forming in orbit. Future applications. Imagine low-latency gaming powered by space. Not tomorrow, but maybe next decade. Health and genomics. This computer could analyze human genomes, simulate protein folding, and even design space medicine. This will help constant AI updates. No delay, no upload needed. AIs trained in space can be updated in real time, skipping the earthbound bottleneck. Precision navigation, better GPS, better future. Advanced computing will supercharge satellite positioning systems. Now let's think about what can go wrong. Satellite data overload. We are talking about lots of data, and Earth can't handle it alone. Thousands of satellites get petabytes of data. Space-based servers handle it at source. Magnetic shielding innovation. Protecting delicate chips. New technologies are being tested to shield these sensitive processors from cosmic radiation. Security in space. Can it be hacked? China claims it's building quantum encryption layers to prevent cyber attacks on orbital systems. Legal gray zone. Who owns space servers? There's no clear global policy on data ownership or processing in orbit. That's dangerous. Ethical dilemmas. What happens when AI learns when orbit? Autonomous learning far from Earth could lead to uncontrolled AI behavior. Risk of catastrophic debris. If something goes wrong, it could trigger Kessler syndrome, a deadly chain reaction of space junk. China's ultimate goal. Global data dominance. They want to control the world's data pipelines, and this is one step closer. Global tech divide. Rich nations in orbit, others behind. As space becomes tech's new frontier, poor nations might be left behind forever. U.S. response so far. Still catching up. NASA and DARPA are exploring modular space computing, but haven't launched anything yet. Rise of orbital AI. Where does this lead? Space AI could become self-repairing, self-improving, and eventually independent from human input. We are actually moving towards a concept called space as a service. Companies could one day rent orbital computing power, like cloud services today. We need to think about several other angles like control, ethics, collapse. Space AI, if misused, could lead to unmonitored surveillance, totalitarian tools, or catastrophic miscalculations. The tech behind the curtain. China's chip manufacturing edge. Despite sanctions, China has advanced semiconductor tech for extreme conditions, including space. Quick recap. China is assembling a supercomputer in space. It will run AI, analyze data, and possibly reshape geopolitics. It's part innovation, part tech arms race. The world is watching and competing. For details, please read the article in the description. Like futuristic stories? Smash that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Trendshift E4U, where tomorrow's tech is today's talk.